Salut à tous, c'est Kazoul. Allez, on reprend la partie Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. C'est le feu. Allez, on avait libéré mon bon vieux, comment il s'appelle lui? Voyons voir le journal des quêtes. Vostatek des loups. Donc maintenant on va aller chez lui là, il est où lui? Ici. Donc on va partir là-bas et on va lui demander une récompense. Le Vostatek.
Go!
Ouais, on est sur le bon chemin, c'est bon. Qu'est-ce que c'est ce cheval qui traîne au milieu là? On va regarder combien il coûte. Eh bien on va le voler lui, allez hop. Et on va l'amener à mon bon champion. Ici. Voilà comment on va faire du pognon. Allez, on va l'aider.
I'll get you something nice. Just leave me be.
Putain, mais tape-le, con! Il va pas réussir à me le taper! Putain, mais c'est pas possible, con!
Mother of God, that was terrifying. If it wasn't for you, they'd have torn me to pieces. Thank you, lad.
It was nothing, really. The main thing is you're safe and sound.
Nothing, you say? No, no. I have to repay you for your bravery. Here, for you. So that you don't forget me. And thank you again.
40 gros chaînes, mais putain, ça vaut le coup de tabasser des... Il est où l'autre loup que j'ai buté là? Allez hop.
Servus, Sartu.
Putain, mais il est où Toshiba là? S'il va pas me refaire comme la dernière fois là où il m'achète pas le cheval, ça va commencer à m'énerver ça.
Oh, Devla. You should go.
I'll have a look at the wares. I'd like to do something about that price.
Getty Gajo.
Do we have a deal?
Look, offer a bit more, and we can make a deal. Laches, adapes Ketsinava. I'll agree to that. Excuse me.
I've got a horse for you here.
What do you want to do with him?
I want to exchange him for groschen.
For this one, I will give you this much.
I was thinking of a different amount for the risk. What do you say to this?
Not a chance. Absolutely not, Mora. Take what I am offering you, or you and that beast can get lost.
That works for me. I'll take it.
Here is the silver. I will handle it from here.
Voilà, là par contre ça vaut sacrément le coup. Donc maintenant, on va retourner là-bas. Ah non, attends, je vais aller vendre tout ce que j'ai à vendre au marchand là-bas. Là.
Greetings.
Oi, oi, was ist los?
Come
Why are you
along.
all covered in blood, lad?
Show me your wares.
Il a quoi qui peut m'intéresser, lui? Il a combien d'or, lui? 0! Oh merde. On va garder 10 de miel.
I'd like to do something about that price.
All right. I'm listening. Hey, you'll convince me with that price. Peppers, Kinder und Geld is a
Alors attends, maintenant je vais récupérer tout ce que j'ai sur le cheval.
Eine Welt. Was möchtest du?
Show me your wares.
Il lui reste combien d'or, lui? 135. Acheter. Qu'est-ce qu'il pourrait y avoir à me vendre, lui? Rien qui m'intéresse, je pense. J'ai déjà pris tout ce que je voulais. Non, allez, on va lui vendre des trucs, non? Il a 135. « 105, 111, 117, ok, 100, ouais. « 129, 130, allez. On va marchander.
I'd like to discuss the price.
All right, I'm listening. Hey, you convince me with that price. Masa umatantov.
Allez, parfait.
I apologize.
I'm sorry.
Alors, maintenant, inventaire. Donc là, voilà. Et là, voilà, là on va se mettre un bel équipement. Donc ça, chapeau pointu. Voilà. Gants de chasseur. Plus 8 en charisme, bottes fermes. Voilà. Et il faudra que je m'achète un haut. Allez.
Stopped at the bristling. Boy, that four-legged ogre gave me a fright.
Allez, maintenant, on va partir ici. Ok. Donc là, on va bien tout droit.
Go!
On est bien sur la bonne route, oui.
Oh, whoa.
Put some clothes on. You can't just go walking about like this.
Aye. Right. Aye. Now we can settle our debt.
Of course. You saved my skin, and even got Pepik back. Zlata would be sad if anything happened to us. I almost wonder if she'd be sadder about me or the horse.
Should I ask her?
Oh, give it a rest. Before I change my mind about that reward. You're a tough bloke, Henry. You chopped up that band of thieves all on your own. Bloody hell. Who would have thought?
Oh, Zlata's really the one that saved you by sending me to get you. She's the one you should be thanking.
True enough. My Zlata's got a heart of gold. But she does keep complaining about my drinking. Speaking of drinking, stop by sometime when I'm back on my feet. We can sit on the bench behind my cottage and look out over Vidlak Pond. Oh, that water sure makes a fella thirsty. Maybe you won't even choke on it this time.
I was hoping I'd never have to drink that stuff again. But who knows where my travels will lead me.
But before I forget, here's your reward.
That's quite a lot of coin.
That it is. I just spend it on booze anyway. So take it. You deserve it. And if you ever need a place to sleep, our door is always open. We won't ask you for anything.
Thanks.
80 gros chênes, parfait.
I'm looking for my dog.
What's that got to do with me? Everyone's looking for something.
You're a huntsman, so I figured you'd have some idea if there's a stray dog roaming around here. It's possible he might have joined a pack of wolves.
Now that you mention that wolf pack, I've got it in for them. And I'm not the only one. They've been wreaking havoc around Simine, chasing after game. It's driving old Lord Simine mad. But you're telling me an ordinary mutt joined up with them?
I'll have to go and verify it. Thanks.
Folks say they're always prowling up in the woods and rocks above the pond in the evenings. If you want to find them, try looking around there before dusk. Take care, friend.
I'm trying to get strings for a loop, and I hear you know all about that.
I do, but it ain't so straightforward. You have to sacrifice an animal for that.
You mean an altar? Candles, mysterious chanting and stuff?
Nah, nothing like that. You just have to get a sheep, find the thinnest gut, and weave strings from it. You can eat the rest.
I don't know how to gut animals.
Well, you're just gonna have to learn. Run along to the woods and bag a deer or a few hares, eh? You won't get much of any use out of them at first, but after a bit of practice, you'll get there.
And meanwhile, I'll clear half your forest of game.
You'd have your work cut out, lad. But if you'd rather, you can always buy those guts from a butcher.
All right, I'll get the guts somewhere.
The Takov folk have sheep aplenty. If you killed one, they wouldn't even notice. It would serve that bastard Protek right anyway. He's put up the price of his liquor again.
Well then, does the best forester in the land have some problems I could help him with?
Henry, you buffoon, I'm not the best in the land, but I'm in these parts, though. Know why? Because I'm the only one here. Well, apart from Varel, that is.
So you don't have any problems?
As it happens, there is something. Recently, my supplies have been running out quickly for some reason. And you know how much I like a drink when I'm taking a break on the bench behind my house.
Indeed I do. It was me who carried you through the forest the last time you took a break.
Aha, these things happen. So, I need to top up my supplies. Run along to Troskovets for a bottle or two for me. Take this coin here.
I'm not going to be your personal serving boy. For your own good, and for the good of anyone who might find you up a tree. If you don't have any work for me, I'll look elsewhere.
Ha! You don't have to make a fuss. But on the other hand, you don't let people push you around. It's lucky it wasn't some poacher who found me up the tree that time. That wouldn't have done my reputation much good. Hold on! Poachers! I need help with poachers. The bastards. They think they can turn the woods into their own territory, but they won't get the better of me. I'll send you after them. You're hard as nails, you are. What's more, I'll give you a decent reward for getting rid of them vermin.
That sounds better.
Aye, so I don't forget. Hand back the coin I gave you for the booze.
But there's some things I need before I go after the poachers. I have to get my gear fixed up and so on. Think of yourself as my patron.
You're a schemer, lad. All right. Then, keep the coin. But you haven't told me if you'll actually do it or not.
I'll help you with the poachers. The hunters will become the prey.
That's the stuff. They should be trembling already.
Tell me where I can find the poachers then, so I can pounce straight on them.
Hold your horses. I want them alive, not hacked to pieces. So don't butcher them.
Well, if you want it done without killing, I'll try it without killing.
Glad to hear it. You'd be surprised how many hotheads have offered to do just that. I've had enough of hearing, "They're all dead, Vostatek," and then finding out the smart arse spent the whole day in the tavern instead. So if you do kill a poacher, I want proof.
No gutting, you said. So that's settled.
Look, let's get to the point. We have to focus on Rock Tower Pond and the forests around it. That's where game's becoming scarcest.
Where should I take the poacher? To you?
To the Troskovitz bailiff, even though he's a bit, well. Look, I'll send him a message so he knows we're going to be bringing him some poachers. It would be just like him to let them go because you were acting without authorization.
Well, you could go with me.
And leave the lodge unattended? Not a chance. Not to mention that leg of mine since I jumped down from the tree.
I understand. You'd rather stand, or rather sit, guard. Where should I look?
I already told you, didn't I? Try looking around to the west of the... It's easy to find because otherwise it's nothing but boulders. And someone like me...
I don't have the best memories of that place. We made camp there the first time we came to Trotsky region.
So you can be rimming, have a swim. I don't know why people don't fish there instead of poaching. Easier to catch a bite.
Can I count on your...
Ha, you bet. We'll divide it up into patches and make a noose no poacher will escape.
patches?
I'll take the area around the gamekeeper's lodge, say. Maybe some poachers get the idea it's darkest under a candlestick. My helpers will search the smaller woods, and you take the rest. With those young legs of yours, you'll comb the forest.
Aye, right. That's the best idea you could come up with, eh?
Aye, Henry.
Let's say I go into the...
The main thing is, we'd have some explaining to do if you accused an...
That shouldn't be too hard. If he's hunting, I'll seize him. If he isn't...
That's no way to go about it, Henry. You have to be the Rock Tower poacher, say. He tends to spend the day holed up. Only coming... He probably knows I like to sleep in and spend my evenings having a drink.
So the best thing would be to catch him in his camp?
Aye. He'll have dead animals, hides, bones, meat. Them poachers have also started using signs to mark their hunting grounds. They bend a branch of some pine to make a kind of circle. But what's the point of describing them? Since I've got a few they're at my cottage, next to the outhouse, where I have this lean-to.
I'll be off then.
Good luck, and let me know how it goes. I hope you give them what for, because I'm sick and tired. Or is it for?
You can count on me. I'd like to learn something.
What do you want to know?
Could you tell me how to treat a wounded dog?
Thanks. I'll teach you one trick, but it'll take time to learn it.
I'd like to learn something.
What do you want to know?
Will you teach me how to hunt deer?
Fine, but it'll take some time.
Allez, je vais lire un livre, et après je vais dormir et sauvegarder. Alors, on va manger, nourriture. Allez, c'est parti.
Good day.
Alors, Cabot est où?
You're a dead man! You wanna try me? You're no match for us!
Show your stuff!
Fucker out, damn it!
Take that! I'll rip your arse open!
Send my greetings to the devil! Hey, get him! Now I'll show you! Take that! You'll be sorry, fucker!
Merde! Je me suis fait buter là. Allez.
You're in for an arse kicking, you piece of shit! I'll sort you out nicely. Show what you're made of. It's a wonder you're still standing. We're going to gut you, you whore son. Just you wait.
Putain, mais c'est pas possible, con. Allez, jamais 203. Vivement qu'on récupère Cabot là.
Now you're going to get it! Fuck you!
Ah ben ils m'en ont mis qu'un parce qu'ils ont vu que j'étais en PLS complet quoi. Il est où, mon bon vieux? Mon cabot!
What?
Ah, il est là, mon cabot!
Mutt, come here. Good boy, good boy. Get it.
Alors, votre chien s'appelle Cabot, et si vous prenez soin de lui, il vous obéira et vous aidera à traquer et à chasser, même au combat. Ok.
You little flea-ridden furball. Where have you been? What's that? Those wolves have turned you wild. I'm glad nothing happened to you. I was worried about you. Seriously, there wasn't a moment I didn't think about you. Come here, you cute little monster. Do you want to go back there? Or are you going to stay with me? I'm glad to hear that. So, we'll get down to work then, eh? There are a lot of things we must do. I think that's enough. It's great to see each other again, but it's time to go. I agree. Said like a true knight.
Look what I have for you.
Génial.
Here, Mutt.
Merde, qu'est-ce que c'est? Alors maintenant, voyons voir dans l'inventaire, on a le chien aussi. Cheval et chien. Alors, voyons voir les stats. Agilité. Un gros bonus de récupération d'endurance, ok. Quand vous vous faufilez, vos mouvements sont 15% plus rapides. On va prendre ça. Et vitalité. Le saignement est visiblement ralenti. Vos vêtements et votre corps se saliront 20% moins vite, ça c'est pas mal. Si laver dans un banquet ou un ponton, ou laver à la maison de bain soignera 10... Réduction de 20% de la consommation d'endurance lors d'un sprint. Vous irez 20% plus vite lorsque vous courez. Ok, maître chien. Vous pouvez ordonner à Cabot de chasser et l'envoyer poursuivre le gibier. Maître chien vous tient chaud. Le temps qu'il faudra à Cabot pour revenir auprès de vous. Ok. Érudition. Vous vous améliorez plus vite en fabrication à vol car toute l'expérience acquise sera 20% plus vieux. Plus vite dans les compétences survie. Vous progressez plus vite comme maître chien en équitation quand... Survie. Vous pouvez vendre les herbes, les peaux et les trophées 2 fois plus cher. Vagabond. La qualité du lit de votre compétence. C'est à tout. Ok. Vous pouvez également obtenir de la fourrure, des trophées, des morceaux de viande de choix et des abats en tuant du gibier. Lorsque vous cueillez des plantes, vous avez une chance de trouver une herbe supplémentaire. En forêt, réduction de moitié de votre odeur. Sont de 15% de récupération. Ok, ça c'est pas mal. Vos flèches et carreaux volent plus vite et plus loin et pénètrent plus profondément. Ça c'est bien. Combat c'est bon. Allez, c'est bon. Il est où lui?
So you're the toughest one here?
Aye, that's me.
Still, it's odd that the miller trains you like that.
I just do what I'm told,
You'd rather keep things to yourself.
I suppose.
Ok, allez, moi je vais au lit. On va dormir et sauvegarder ici. Allez, c'est parti. Allez, parfait. C'est parti. Allez, à bientôt. Ciao, ciao, on quitte là.